Hello students, I'm going to now discuss regarding functions chapter. So function topic is very important, right? So functions we are going to discuss now, right? So many times while discussing the programming concepts, that we discuss like functions, which functions, print function, or printf function, scanf function, so IO functions, read and write functions. Ready functions are read. We discuss formatted, unformatted IO functions. Formatted IO function means the data can be formatted while reading and writing. So with the printf and scanf, we could format the data. Okay, so format specifiers also we discussed, and how to use printf, scanf we discussed. So like printf, scanf are the system functions there. Okay, and every program we are writing one program, we are placing one function called main function. So according to the C language rule, every program should start with a main method or main function. This also I discussed many times in the class. Why we should write main compulsory means the compiler will start the execution from a function called main. Main అనే function నుంచి start చేస్తుంది execution ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా. Okay, so in the program structure also we have main function. Okay, so we'll come back. Function, so we are using, and last time we discussed string functions, string manipulation functions, string uppercase, string lowercase conversion, string copy, string comparison, finding length of the string. Okay, so EV functions. So these functions, printf, scanf, string functions, are called as system functions, and there is a possibility of defining and use of user functions. Means like main method, we could main function, we could write our own functions. Okay, the block similar to main also can be designed by the programmer. The programmer అనేవాడు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, main లాంటి blocks రాయొచ్చు. Same, main is having declarations and execution part. Here also we could write some declarations, and we could write the programming concepts. Okay, so normally big program, 100 lines of program can be divided into small programs called functions. For example, 100 lines of code is there. అంటే మన ప్రోగ్రామ్లో 100 lines ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, దాన్ని ఏం చేయొచ్చు మనం, we could split into 25, 25, 25, 24, 25. Okay, like 4 functions can be placed in the place of one big program. Okay, so one block will be called with other block. Okay, one block, 4 blocks మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయొచ్చు మనం, కాల్ చేసుకుంటే సేమ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ జరుగుతుంది. So they are called user functions, right? So the functions concept. So I'll start with the definitions, what is function, and types of functions, and today I'll discuss regarding the system functions. Okay, so see here, going to show the demonstration. So functions is C language. Okay, right, function అంటే ఏంటి, ఓకే నోట్స్ మీకు పంపించి ఆల్రెడీ, you can check, right? A function is a group of statements. Maybe any function, system function కావచ్చు, లేదా main function అనుకోండి. For example, it is a group of statements. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. So group of statements kabatti a task will be performed. A task may be performed during the. So generally em cheptam, what is function? A function is a group of statements. It is a statement group, sir. Okay, like mail or rasta program, group of statements. Inka enti koncham well defined definition. A function is a self-contained block of statements. Okay, self-contained block of statements. Second, we have self-contained block. second. Self-contained block of statements. Okay, so what do you mean by self-contained? So it will have a body of statements, self-contained block of statements. So function is a group of statements, function is a self-contained block of statements. Inka, every C program has at least one function which is main. Okay, general will consist of a function, as I discussed earlier. Main will be there in every program, and user functions. The user can define additional functions of his own. Okay, user and he can write his own functions, but main compulsory should be there. Along with the main, we should have the functions. So why we should add user functions? You can divide up or split a lengthy code into separate blocks called as the user functions. Why, sir? Such that each function performs a specific task. సో చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ ఉంది, మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది మనకి. సో దాంట్లో ఫంక్షన్ 1, ఫంక్షన్ 2, ఫంక్షన్ 3 లింకప్ చేయబడుతుంది. వాట్ ఆర్ ఫంక్షన్ 1, ఫంక్షన్ 2, ఫంక్షన్ 3 ది డయాగ్రామ్? దే ఆర్ యూజర్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఓకే, ఇది థింగ్ బిహైండ్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి. సరే, ఫంక్షన్లో ఏముంటుంది? ఎనీ ఫంక్షన్, మేబీ సిస్టమ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆర్ ఎనీ ఫంక్షన్. ఏంటి? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ a function declaration. Function will have mainly two parts. Function declaration, that is called prototype. Remind the word, recall the word again, prototype. Okay, so please remember the word prototype. Function declaration or prototype tells the compiler about a function name, return type and parameters. Okay, function of a name, for example main, we are writing int main with brackets. So int is a return type, rt, function name, main is the function name, and parameters. So we are not writing the parameters in the bracket of the function. Parameters means the variables used inside the function or may be used inside the function are called parameters. So idantha malli manam user function discuss cheddam, but function will have function declaration. Inka last slide, a function definition provides the actual body of the function. సో ఫంక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్ అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ బాడీ ఉంటుంది ఫంక్షన్కి. మెయిన్లో మనం రాస్తాం కదా ప్రోగ్రామ్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్. సో ఫంక్షన్ డిక్లరేషన్ షుడ్ బి దేర్, ఫంక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్ షుడ్ బి దేర్, ఈవెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆర్ యూజర్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్. దేర్ ఆర్ 2 types of functions according to C language. ఓకేనా? once we'll go through the diagram, then I'll please one more diagram is in first page. C functions are 2 types, built-in functions and user defined functions. ఇప్పుడు మన మొబైల్లో మెనూ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆల్ ఆప్షన్స్ బిల్ట్ ఇన్. ఓకే, లైక్ రీసెట్ ఆప్షన్, జూమ్ ఆప్షన్, ఓకే, డబుల్ ఎక్స్ జూమ్, ట్రిపుల్ ఎక్స్ జూమ్, లైక్ దట్. యూజర్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఓకే, so some user settings for example may be possible in some systems, some mobiles. Okay, but adding shortcuts to home page, like that, user defined function. So C functions are 2 types, built-in functions and user defined functions. Such and built-in function and user. What are built-in functions? In the start of the discussion in the video I mentioned printf, scanf, okay, getS, putS, all the functions. Ikkada enti built-in functions ante definitely ichchanu ikkada. The C standard library provides numerous built-in functions that you program can call. Okay na? For example, string concatenation, string cat, yesterday's discussion. Idu vaadtaru to concatenate 2 strings. Alane same time you will use string copy to copy one string to another. Okay, and many more functions are there called string functions. They are called as built-in functions. Not only this one, string functions, we have mathematical functions and other functions. Okay, ade discuss chestam ippudu. So printf, scanf, getS, putS. Okay, getchar, putchar, printf, scanf. Okay, string functions, string copy, string LWR, string length, string copy, string comparison. So like all these are called built-in functions or library functions. See, library is provided with the built-in functions. Okay, right. So the other type is user functions. User functions next video we discuss chesam. So now we'll go with the first type of function, built-in functions. So built-in functions ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి C language లో చూడండి. So we have 4 categories of functions according to our syllabus. Inbuilt functions అంటే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ string copy example ఇచ్చాం. The C standard library provides numerous built-in functions that your program can call. Right. So చూడండి, we are writing every time hash include stdio.h. Okay, we discussed what is stdio.h. In order to use input output functions in the program, okay, the usage of the right functions is explained in the header files. Okay, for example, printf ఎలా execute చేయాలి, scanf అంటే ఎలా execute చేయాలి, I'm not going to tell the compiler, but the compiler may know how to execute printf, what is printf, what is getS, what is printf. Okay, so with the library files. So to use this built-in function, we should include the required header file into the program. Okay, in yesterday's discussion we should add hash include string.h. okay na, stdio.h include chestam, string.h include chestam. Right. Sorry, ఇక్కడ చూడండి built-in function, there are 4 types of built-in functions. Mathematical functions, first one. Second one, character functions, single character functions. Third, date and time functions. Fourth, string functions. String chapter it is covered already yesterday. So we are going to discuss mathematical functions, character functions, and date and time functions. Mathematical functions. Okay, so as BCom students, okay, often you use mathematical function, but generally mathematical people, science people want many mathematical calculations. Again, finding of sine value, cos value, and other values. So they want mathematical functions. Sorry, what is mathematical functions? The functions which are declared in math.h are used to perform simple mathematical operations. So mathematical operations can be possible within the program with the help of mathematical functions. So what is the header file? Before using the function, mathematical function, we should include math.h file. So math.h file ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అంటే ప్రతి దానికి ఒక టేబుల్ ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ I will give a table. So there will write like yesterday the function and the purpose of the function. Okay na, మీరు లిస్ట్ రాసి చాలు. Right, there will be many functions. So right, first function floor function. Okay, so floor అనే ఫంక్షన్ mathematical function. ఈ ఫంక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి ప్రోగ్రామ్లో. ఫ్లోర్ ఏంటి, రిటర్న్స్ ద నియరెస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ విచ్ ఈస్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. Okay, so nearest integer will be returned for the given value. For example, floor of -1 I will give. So what is the nearest integer? 1. Floor of -5, what is the nearest integer అంటే 5 అనేది వస్తుంది. సో పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ని ఇస్తుంది, మనం ఇన్పుట్లో నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి. నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్ ఫంక్షన్ రిటర్న్స్ ద నియరెస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ వాల్యూ. సో రౌండింగ్ చేస్తాం. మెడికల్ షాప్లో మెడిసిన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ for example 11 rupees 99 paisa. So what the shopkeeper will offer, 12 rupees will take. Okay, so rounding of the paisa to rupee. So round function returns the nearest integer value. Okay na, so like sine, cos value, exponential value. Okay, exponential means e power value, will say e power value find out cheyachu. Okay, అలానే log function, square root of the given number, power function 2 power 3, 4 power 5, like that. Truncating, ignoring the zeros, truncate means. So like these functions are used for mathematical purpose. So at the same time we have character functions. We could convert characters and we could use on characters. Okay, so next type of functions are character functions. Character functions in C language are used to validate the data type of given variable and to convert upper to lower case and lower to upper case, okay, of text type lo kuda మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు character functions. So they will operate on single characters. Okay na, so ఇక్కడ చూడండి కొన్ని functions ఉన్నాయి. is alpha checks whether the character is alphabetic. So whether we are giving A to Z, capital or small, will be checked with is alpha function. same time is digit, you can check digits, whether digits are given 0 to 9 or not. Okay, so like lowercase is given or not, uppercase letters are given or not. Okay, so like this it will be checked with the functions. So pakkana description undi, right? You can if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, and lastly date and time functions. Okay, so date and time functions are used to interact with the system, date and time. Okay na? Within the program you want to test date and time, you want to work with the date and time. Okay, so we use date and time functions. So set a date, get a date, clock, time. Okay, so like certain functions are there. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాను పక్కన description, right? So easily can understand what is clock, what is time, local time, and like some functions here. And lastly string functions. So refer string, manipulate function string. Already we discussed string yesterday, same like table fashion. So table discuss cheyandi, table chadukondi. So up to here, what is function, essentials, need of function, sorry, not essential, need of the functions, and types of functions we discussed. And along with that, right, we finished system functions. Okay, system functions or built-in functions అయిపోయింది topic. Okay, right, any questions are there, then post on the video or post on the group. Okay, I'll be clarifying. So part 2 will be here tomorrow.